Kwa mena ni Jonan Mumbere narukandi ngakutangirira kwa interview yetu eno akiru kya munabwire ekatuhambayo bakamweta Mutaliki Media onakasangana wa ekatado ebwera omanzeri murondia akabina kende banekaina kuhambikia sene kiwene kirenga chema rukandi tukayekana kwa kindu cyuma mostly Rwenzori Marathon ayekaya byayo umubutuko bukayasambera hano ekiru nakesindi abari mutina mutina kuyabando bakaba abarenda bakatubita ku matebetwano ono cyabirenda bakigamo bunabwira ngari no musya kulumukulu akiyenda kayikanya kungani yande then twatsuka officially
wasinja kutsibu musya ku Jerick kwa menanga urawo mwa Balu Rogers Mutahunga meya w'Empondo Rubiri Town Council kandi mu mawo kwa bandu abake encouraging sportsmanship nere hayo okwirangire ndi abandu betu bakakurakurana neryangerera ebindu bya sports especially nga matebetunga wanu Rwenzori Marathon. In fact ngali lucky esa hano tukendo mwa edition ya katano kutwa murundo wa katano amatebetwa yali tsukira ke omwa byosi omwa mirundo yose yatwa matatebeta Rwenzori Marathon yenu at least na ingapi nga now some participation some effort yanga bina avretekako na hiyo ano tukendo mwa edition ya katano
esa oma vetatebeta kanga for example tumatsukira
na misinga yo the beginning the initial marathon
that was 2021
2020 I think
2021
because we missed due to corona hane marathon ya misinga habwe corona ni 2020 marathon yatsuka I think
it was 2021 like a concept baka windi yahuluka before covid then tobatandika 2021 obose nubira abana muka kikaleke byetuli mwa edition ya katano that is 5 years
okay betu muna misinga edition yo kubanza ahabwe chendo cyo manabisinge shubutu ko marathon yikatsuka narinje muna wende beno ngehongoke obwera engaende kasesi ngakore engayatebe so nabarenga ahongoka abamambira
abantu bari bamukera
I missed out on that medal, that beautiful medal
first edition
in fact namabana no mundo you can buy esa hanungi mulire ekit na enambo mudali wa Kerolia konde wange tawitu mwa cabinet ya Musa yo namabana omundo yenge mulire ekit
first edition area that is so amazing.
Whoever has it and you feel I think it can generate for you money, or you don't have the money to get into the next edition.
You're selling the medal.
You sell your medal. I buy for you a kit for the next marathon, and I'm ready to do that.
Okay, thank you. Now, Mayor, ndani mulangira a marathon yenu ngana chesi yeto hama benda ka twalto bekasese. For example, in different sectors, for example, tourism. Then investment abantu benda ka investinga omu bintu bise hotel nabandi level direnda ikata siwana konda abantu bari manda bakamenyende marathon kabika hika tukiyota cya tukenda tukahurya now iwengo muremi narukande ngo mundu ekabina le kasese. How do you see the trend of investments omakase muhano specifically to matter of hotel and event?
Okay, marathon ya hayatsukira you cannot believe it, a transformation ya maveleta hano makasese because the first edition ikasa it was accommodation facilities on makasese shavia totally down. We had, can you imagine, we had less than 100 rooms obwisha ukabwa omwiwa yali asa inange natukirike shahale they were less than 100 because there are some people who came high profile VIP guests to participate in that marathon. Bamabula herikesha twabere tukabahijane Margarita bamabwa no
anosi tuekesha okay mwana nyuma abeys
okay tu average Margarita yeba kikesha. So now the turning point comes in. Game changer is the marathon. Esa heno as we talk Kasese has over 1,000 rooms.
Over.
So
a transition just a few years.
Within 5 years or 5 editions of participating in the marathon from 100 rooms to 1,000 rooms. at least and facility
mundu angana case at least nangana
I'm okay. I'm accommodated in a safe environment and conducive. When
no yangana ni meeting that standard
exactly, but at least unesute ngana ndeke. When you add on other facilities nga camping sites, these tents that people have already bought and are willing to give out their compounds to the participants to make sure they are fully dated within Kasese just for this event. Now Rukasangana, at least we have the capacity as Kasese to host the Rwenzori Marathon and host over 6,000 guests. In those 3 days umwebi kuhi abataka betu Kasese bakayi bangebere trokere kola over $1 million.
Tulikisangu tukenda imeya. I want us to look at now a concept. Eyeru lukaminga this marathon. Eribya mabirasa omorwenzori.
Yes.
Do you still think hanaho gapo ekamisinga abandari bakinawe lukaminga like eri owninga like benefiting from it?
A gap I think would be in the service. Abandu bachinabya bakasisira. Ikatuhikamu na ria tusangana. Marathon always gets us when we are not prepared. But for the guests, for them they come ready to spend umwabi kuhi munaburenga lyahambishe kiloshe isatu eshe nyamu e marathon niyo munje engasiteka halya omuchomo wari nalyo kwa 10 ngateka ukwengu misatu bakayi bakenderyawo aliya ingalia gwinde owa 10 ule kingahika ikweshangu 2 ngana ongera kweshangu 3 bananga uli omuchomo wayiwe shangu 5 abandu bakayi bakenderyawo because we can never satisfy the demand and the number that always comes up with this marathon. Tukatunga over, in fact, a Kasese municipality ika hostinga over 100,000 people that day, including locals and visitors. Because a marathon
locals bakasai abandi
bakolomwabetre nabandi bawe na ingisende Kasese okwa marathon
ina kisho munyoni wewe
akakisa yo munyoni
wewe kese yake alaro makizunga kaenda ibyali
exact kutina bwat injenge yabye Kasese bukinyiker ewe senyiri. There are people who have testimonies of spending over 36 hours without sleeping. And that is what exactly happens.
Amundu na bwat ngindi kishiko street ngaote rinywa kando kai omwanja cyanga
kalumwa chitumbi bwachi engane okwa particular facility okwa street in there. Obukacha is the very person who goes to spectate the athletes or the participants in the marathon, the marathoners. Baba kabyo kwanzera
akaba banda mabyalo. Yes,
encouraging them to run and you will find all the streets fully packed with people
who are cheering
them. People drive their vehicles, people ride their borders just to get involved in this marathon.
Now let's come at the government now.
Yes,
we have seen contribution to government towards this. For example, from the first edition ngagala richesani to kubanza bands have a marathon, have a maram.
Yes.
Second edition amasoba kataka chorus. Third edition etauni ya mahenya. That is eribema byenda bakewanya ekyangoda. But still ngaringe kana ya government ntolera sataka kintu kinene if needs retraining ngatenga abantu bano abe local communities a service bakola yivat. For example omudali kesinda kachiaringa buri bitu namenyata ngabe evolved amabihanga nabaneka. For example bakabwinde tukakopeloni mutu kuwe marathon yitanga government ukisabi wabiri this thing which are fund syringe singa. Do you think that is not possible? Evolving abantu
empowering people just
with knowledge. Yes, not only the cash,
the bakawra capacity building. Yeah, in fact that is the only gap wama identifying a gap but I believe government government has shown its willingness to fully get involved in this marathon because they know a impact ya wito kwa community yetu. Nero inemukanganie willingness to support the marathon. So HML Kinga, for instance, halenga bandu abe theluji the theluji festival a government yitolera iyalabira mu theluji elangirende ya building capacity eyaba locals to embrace the main event. The main event here marathon. There are people here abakasa unza around 2 weeks, not just
true.
Coming for the marathon.
Actually, I don't like to say time.
And I want to tell you, hotels in Kasese are already fully booked.
Fully.
Because I've tried. I started 2 months ago to tell one of my hoteliers I needed around 6 rooms for my guests. I gave up. So, and that was the facility that I trusted for the other guests at least to be comfortable. Namasangana hacheri room, and that was 2 months ago. Right now we are just counting weeks, days towards the marathon. There is no space in Kasese. All the rooms are already taken up. Now the only places that I have as an option are just these minute rooms, and you look at the room, then you look at the guest who is coming, you just say, I give up. But I want to tell you, in the 4 days, let me say 2 days before the marathon,
you will not get you will not
even those ones that you are looking at and say, my guest cannot get here, they will be taken up. So, and being taken up not at the price, but they sell at a double or even higher.
True.
If someone is charging 20,000, 30,000 per room, they will tell you I need 50,000. And when you're still there, darling, when you're still there, darling, someone will come and I need a room. Do you have any?
70
already taken. Give me 10. They take the rooms and you just like, but I had. Hey, you're bargaining alone. People are making their money. And the facilities, by the way, the number of facilities
we have
coming up,
there are many.
They are extremely but not yet satisfying the
even
demand.
On a standard.
The facilities that are standardized and coming up, they are many, but still the demand for accommodation is way too high. We cannot satisfy it.
Now, what should we do to accommodate actually all these people who are coming? Because
there is a what they call Airbnb. Yaba name encouraging abantu betu erikolesha.
Build your
no. Airbnb is like I build my house where I'm staying to standard. Then at least make 2 rooms
for visitors.
Very comfortable and very standardized to make sure that if a visitor came to your place, they will not regret. And there is an association that is managing that within Kasese. They go and check the standards of your thing before they put it on air. So that Airbnb means you will provide breakfast and bed to the guest.
Yes.
But you are also put on the network so that the visitor
on the website,
wherever they are, they can access you and talk to you directly.
There is one man actually what is your guest house. I did a mistake inga posting on social media. At reason being, move booking go price nyike. At now the price ya very kind. At blend.
You know there is what they call peak or boom season.
Yes.
This season August. August is a game changer for Kasese. And I thank the idea there event and also brain behind this task Rwenzori Marathon. Indeed. Is a gift to Kasese.
True.
And to the Rwenzori and to Uganda as a whole.
That is Amos.
Amos Wekesa. This is the only marathon that is certified in Africa by International Athletics whatever federation.
You don't know
it IAAF certified marathon. It means we are going to be here with this marathon.
And the Rebel Marathon. For
a lifetime. In fact, everyone wants to participate. We have Chinese friends, they be there, they be wanting to come. Americans, And the activations, I give him a very good
credit
for marketing. Amos is a good brain at marketing. Oyonga muhe chikumyo kwa chindi because sende nataba ne marathon ya ikaendo mathe ndebe ho ika promoting marathon yewa. No mushanga binishe Boston, no mushanga binishe London. They have never come to Uganda to market their things. But this one, Tusker Rwenzori Marathon, is going to marathon. It goes to London, it will go to America, it will go to South Africa, Kenya, wherever, just to make sure there is visibility and also that magnet of attracting the other runners also to get to know that there is a marathon in Uganda.
True, that is
you can imagine the place where it comes. Kasese.
Yeah.
Or kwa mutraka kwa Kale Kiwana.
Yes.
Mare nanale vai marathon bye Kenya. In fact,
say marathon from Kenya.
Okay, let me
appreciate.
Let me appreciate.
Yes.
Because those people we are also just learning from them.
Yes.
Marathons in Kenya, you will think there are no people in Kenya by the way. Because marathoners will run and people will do on their own businesses. Not even minding. But here you different story in Kasese. Kasese when they hear Kasese ikisa Rwenzori Marathon and Mama Subul. First
all of us,
the activities that are along that marathon,
along the road.
No, just the event is the marathon main event. But now those other activities, the way they attract our people. And you know Abakonzo. Abakonzo naturally the local inhabitants of Kasese are people who love to party. I want to tell you, there are some people who have told me, me I will not run, but I'm going to stay in Kasese for 4 days. So you can imagine how much, I don't know whether she's drinking.
Oh no, what? But party.
But they want to be where there is happiness. All we are asking for is peace and tranquility. Then also God's hand to be on the organizers and the security apparatus. Now,
as we conclude, where do you see us in the next 10 years? A marathon in
this marathon is big. A marathon, a Tusker
2030. 2035.
Yeah, let's talk of 2035. You see our airport.
It will be there.
I don't know whether I should call it airport right now.
That is your in 2030.
Indenga namulangira ASPK Kasese. Ikisabiyama Verosoba airport, and one of the busiest in Uganda. It will be having the biggest number of visitors
by the end.
By 2030, 2035, I have to give it that period because these people are like looking at it and sidelining it, but they don't know the potential that airport can give to Uganda. Last time I heard there were cancellations of some flights and some guests who were meant to come and participate in the marathon direct from China. So when they asked from Uganda,
Tokishala where?
Tokishala you can use Muvende Road or Mbarara Road. Then the roads.
The road is where?
Several they gave up. They had paid for their tickets. They left. 1,000 participants. How many? How eshunisha ndege singa? Omoba oti ndege ikaheka bantu bekume bebere. Eshunisha ndege S
5.
And those are heavy weighty aircrafts. Sishangikiro kwa ka airstrip ketukali. And they wanted to come if they are to land in Entebbe for like
an hour,
then they fly over to Kasese so that they participate. When they try to ask accommodation. Kasese berevet abagale waya accommodation less than $500. No,
so cheap.
So they cut because of accommodation. They cut because of the airport. And they could not come. But now if those things were there, I believe the Chinese would have already sold our story, and the Americans this time would come.
Now let's talk about
as
we conclude.
Yes.
Let's talk about the aspect of tourism. How is it promoting tourism? Then I want you to give your final remarks.
Yes.
How we should take this marathon as from Kasese, then specifically how government should actually continue supporting it?
Those are around 3 questions.
Yes.
You first organize them, then you tell me
talk about tourism.
Tourism.
Yes.
The potential of Kasese in tourism. There is no other district that can outcompete us. You know, others brag of, we are a tourism center, but you only have one facility. Let me say one attraction or two. Kasese is the only place you will find the snow. And again, you see the equator. Number 2, it is the only district where you will find 3 national parks. 3. I know the reason I'm saying 3 because I know you might be asking which one is that? Yes. You only know Mount Rwenzori, then Queen Elizabeth. Yes. Did you know that just along the Mpondo border and the Isango border, we have Virunga Cross, Virunga National Park in the DRC, bordering Kasese. Yes. So even where, in fact, the visitor should come from outside and say, I want to look at all the 3 national parks. Then we shall take you for sight viewing Virunga that is just across.
You see, this is Congo.
This is Congo. We take you to the Mushawenango or Rubiri.
To the boundary. You see Congo.
Look at Congo.
Yes.
And you see the vegetation across just here in DRC. So there is Virunga, there is Queen Elizabeth, then there is Mount Rwenzori National Park. We have a mountain. We have 2 lakes. We have Kazinga Channel. We have, in fact, tourism in Kasese is not yet even explored to half. Do you know there are water sports that we can introduce on our water bodies and still we keep these tourists coming back? Yes. This is it. How are they called? Kayaks and the motorbikes on the water, whatever it is. I don't know how to call it. We thank those people at Kazinga. They are trying to be creative, and there are lots of boats operating there. I believe UA is dealing with them properly because some are licensed, others are community based, and they have agreements with UA. They are working together. Our tour guides, they are overwhelmed already. Yeah, true. Just this August, because you will find farms that have people who have booked, fully booked. And the tour guides are overwhelmed. So I don't know how they handle it, but I believe our schools around, tourist schools around, are producing more kids, more professionals in that field, and it will be covered. So the tour business in Kasese is not yet even at 30%. Fully utilized. It is in fact around 15 to 18. That's where we are. And the whole now they call the whole chain benefit of the tourism sector here. It is also not yet up to 20%. Tuchinai travel ruvenene esherumu skabura wao abantu ba tourist bakana ya somwe Kasese
that was Sherumumbe
kundi ile Sherumumbe
excitement places.
There are very few amusement parks around here and about na mendo mapaka na virunzeri tuwaringe bisori bahati anga nanziri na relaxing naenda haringe, let me say, an Olympic size swimming pool.
Now let's talk about the ideas of sparking other small marathons and runs in Kasese. We are aware in a marathon here in Rwenzori. Yes. You know, we marathon hiki within the district.
Yes, Rwenzori marathon has also led to the Esther.
To the bath.
It has bathed very many numerous marathons. You know, in Theluji they encourage us, the Theluji festival, they encourage us to run biodiversity runs in preparation for the big thing, this big thing. So every sub-county is supposed to host or to hold its own marathon.
Yeah, a run. Yes.
So that the locals can directly benefit, because when every sub-county gets its marathon, we get the best performance there. Yes. So we take the best, we sponsor the best to Kasese to go and participate in this. And the birth of those marathons, I think, has given us some
professional runners,
at least who are somehow competing with those international runners who come here for the winning money. And we thank Ugandan government for making sure na ikateka mu mukono wayo. This year it gave $1 million to Rwenzori Marathon, and all that money will go into
the
prize
to the
winners directly. So if at all they were giving 20 million this time, it is an international thing.
So
it will be
good
money. Good money.
Okay. I thank you, Mr. Mayor.
Yes.
Naruka and talk about eribi tulihali kwa Kasese itwange Mbondwe, and we need to benefit from the marathon.
By the way, eribi tulihali kwa Kasese and the benefit
Kasese town, yeah?
Yes, Kasese town. For us, we are from far away at the border town that is in Bwera, or at the Mpondwe border. I think though we are far away, but we are benefiting from that marathon. I have to tell you the truth. Should I tell you some hotels that have gotten reserved?
You're free.
Elite Peak down here. I think is like half booked. Then there is Bwera. Is it what? There is another facility, Bwera Homes, Comfort Homes, down there. It is booked fully. So it doesn't matter where your facility is, as long as you have good infrastructure, good rooms, you will attract even a visitor. Do you know that some visitors go and sleep over in Rubirizi?
True.
Yet they are coming to participate
even for Potro.
The others also go to Fort Poto. So the distance in the Tolehare or Kwakasese, so we shall not benefit from the marathon, is a total myth and a lie to people who think otherwise. Chiko wamabuka himba facility ya uhimbe you by experts, get good advice. Don't second mwarangira ka hotel kananga kuse buloji bwananga buwene na ukaye himbu buloji obusosiro bwananga.
Bula yaba ko
ha. Sha sente sha ule kisite bule. Bule ya uhabulawe kena uliere habulwa wana himbe chino echangale ko musungu nawe ihe kabwa ngake saya echisaka kundire facility ambo ngake saya nyama mbo kundire mundu fulani abretekera ishe room eshu wen
enyabugando
ngake saya nyabugando kundire ye amabanika omwenyu uwene tutebwa tinge room esha $10
ile nyabugando
siba tutengira reteka ya hanu wa mateke ya uyo wa standard ya na ubaki kutu $10 echiro
wama kwa standard it is only one visitor 3 ine ya naro achegalo umwako naona bene be basatu Erumu muyanga bisita saba baba.
Erumu muyanga. By the way, that is what hotels do, and that is what people who know what they want do. Yo kamenya out erumu ya ingibya nabirite kamwe bindu bya sebole bunyalanya rinde butolere bwa bukengera. Light siye yina.
Light pick.
Ipe bandikasi tulitote hikana mpuka lebya ne
erumu ngasi
but because the people who come there know what they want. Before Elite came here, people used to go back to Fort Poto. Kuzo mduna wata na maki shambenu fair ole kembenu ngatenda nge custom eneruba rundia Vienna ne Moviki. Wamabuli abayeni abo ngangina kesho mwaka rumu tutewa watanga ka ujeriki aka ka hoteli ka waka webi ngina akikubura
ati
unganyire
sine kesha standard ya ninyi
standard yiwe akayo winenye nene. So it is up to itwe bande embracing echendo wamenya hote echendo chatu kakola si chamunawire betu chikende bya ruberera ke utwalere by chika marketing ane echendo chao.
Okay, wasinje umisha kulu Mayor Rogers Mutahonga angende saba message yawe kunzerere ere saba banyakase sabo si ere sai ka actually release kit first of all then yonga bina hote med eyo kubanza first edition
inge olai inge mulire kit
ukunga naye kukanza olai twana kungulidinga interview.
Okay. Echo kubanza ngasima abatakinyo bosi muturangire ndambieno kandi nabasaba ende bana betu mwase tutebete amatebe tu haneshe kilomita 5 haneshe kilomita 10 hanisha kilomita 20 yabakaura mu half marathon habyanisha kilomita 22 uko bakayikakasa yabali abakafuru
bakayikakasa ya
nero itwe tutesina ritete
walkers
itwe tule bawoka enda kasasa
kilomita 5
ina tuhekiti ya imitwa muka betu kena enda kasasa
ngata bora kwa street
datu bakachikiro yasi bali bwinde bakekutebeta kusoko
yukandoka kilomita kubonzira
kena ngine watu ngende endesha kilomita 5 ina shesa hini niwe wesi uze ngesi enda inaunze sahango niwe wesi kutsuwe watu munabira ngende tebeta singanzira sasa akolesha kilomita 5 nisiku ngende timbesha kilomita 10 nasho wasenda emva jomwa setungire matebetwaya akatuyamba echo kubanze physique echa kabiri likangania abalia abakasa bakasatebeta endene tutunanzire chendu che binga ya unzerera sinabiri windio yuitro muderi omukuru owe marathon yo kubanza umbe ungakulire kiti kewe mabwa utangakongera kuna lunch na yingi ndiongera yoko ndine wa muso wa
otherwise usinje utuku wagira kusindira biboya narukande nginde bintu mbeta abantu embondo bandeke
wasinjara
inde jonane narukande omanze besine biwena birenga beno wendera Taric Media bakasangana bakatodoba baguturije sine chiwene chino